You may be struggling right now. You have a project in mind. You're not really a developer, but you're looking for a simple and secure way of getting that out there. Let me introduce you to Pro Tools right there. That's right. Everyone can be a developer. Let's start your project today. A simple goal, convenience, security, and accessibility. Now, if you're a developer or an inspiring developer, have a project in mind, or want to go through easy, simple steps, this is definitely for you. You only need 500 Pro Tool tokens to get started. Connect this to your MetaMask wallet, and let me tell you, it's under $70,000 market cap. This is completely undervalued. This thing should be about $300,000 right now, in my opinion, but they just launched their Pro Tool developer or deployer. Now, the token information here is very simple. Name, symbol, supply, the things you need for your project to get it going, okay? So this is a basic, easy step of getting going, and they're developing this thing as we speak. They're always gonna be adding things to make things easier for you. Now, when I break this down, why should you use this? Several ways. I had to read this at least about 10 times. Now, they have so many different ways of why you should use this. Free promotion landing page, transparency, or transparent source code, owners can blacklist token or user, and much, much more. No honeypot functions here. So it looks and it is very simple and very safe. And this is on their website. So when you go to the website, I got the link in the description. You just click on literally start your project now, and you'll be sent to this page in terms of getting all your information out there. Simple, right? And when I look at the DEX tools, Pro Tools, DEX tools, I wonder. So you see good names here, but it's this under $70,000 market cap. And when I look at the Etherscan, so this is what you should do when you do your research. 115 holders, 1 million supply. So I'm sitting here thinking low supply, low holders for right now. But then I'm seeing staking potentially happening. Token vesting means they got staking in mind. So when I look at this whole situation here, 140,000 for the staking, only 233,000 in terms of the Uniswap supply. So that means that it's not that much left, but it is a low supply and a low market cap and a low price, but it's got a lot of volume in terms of utility to really offer, especially when you fill this thing out. And it even has an easy step-by-step for you to fill it out. These guys are geniuses. I'm gonna tell you that right now, not financial advice. Now, when I go look at this more, I'm looking at now the data reserves disclosure of Pro Tools token distribution. These guys are thinking behind the scenes, and they're thinking ahead as well. Cause look at all these tabs down here. I'm a big Excel person. I like planning things out, but I'm seeing CoinGecko name here a couple of times here. Could they be listed on CoinGecko down the road? In my opinion, probably so. And let's talk more about that right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain is all on this today. I'm looking at the white paper very slowly here. I see staking. I see tremendous opportunity, under 170,000, and you can get started with your project today. Wow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, DEX tools, yes. Pro Tools, yes. Telegram, yes. Go inside the Telegram and go ahead and introduce yourself. Ask questions if you need to before you invest or get involved into this. Now, the roadmap is really simple. They're getting through this roadmap pretty quickly because they just launched the final version of the Pro Tools deployer. Now, in my opinion, they're probably around the 3. They may have some more 2s to do, but 3 and 4 is an improvement, not improvement, or I would say is what they're looking for, I should say there. Updated profile Etherscan, they've already done that, by the way. So getting listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, I would think they will get listed on those things, in my opinion. Low market cap, tons of potential. They even have why should you use the deploy in Pro Tools. This is something that's stressing people out when they're starting projects. They want something easy and secure to doing it. And a step-by-step to make sure they're doing everything correctly. Because there's a lot of mistakes out there when you're starting a project, or if you want to go ahead and get more information from a project, you got something to really rely on. And it's only 500 Pro Tools tokens right now, and they probably won't cost you very much right now. So if you're looking for something easy and you got really good, smart people behind it, and undervalued, I suggest you to look into this today. I got the link in the description. I'm not telling you what to do. I am telling you what to do. I'm telling you to go ahead and at least get into the Telegram group. At least there. Start there and then do your research. And one more thing I want to show you, because people want to know this. They want to know if this contract is good. So I will go and token sniffer. And token sniffer, it depends. Sometimes the token sniffer is down. Sometimes it's up. Sometimes it's not accurately. But to me, if you got anything over a 60 or 70, you're good to go. And they got a 75. So this thing is good to go. This thing is good to go, in my opinion. Jump on this, do your research. I can't tell you what to do, but I know what I'm gonna do. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Step-by-step deployer to make things easier. I have not seen anything like this simple and very easy of getting started, because the stress and the pissed off and all that kind of stuff, it does happen in crypto. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.